I've been wanting to finish this paper up, this paper pad, for quite a while. And you can see I only have a couple sheets left. And I thought, what can I do with it? And so I came up with making journal sticks. And basically all they are 6 inches by 1.5, so the paper comes out even. And then I inked the edges. Some I rounded, some I left straight or just like rounded the edges. And then some I've added embellishments to. So let me show you what I mean. And they're great to tuck in a journal, to grab, you know, a little stick there, and you can jot a quick note or maybe even a shopping list, a thought, an address. That was my thought when I was making them. I thought, well, what's a great way to use up paper and be productive with that piece of paper? So I grabbed a piece of 12 by 12. I'll grab my cutting board here. So I'm going to cut it down basically to 6 by 6. And if I had a really good cutting mat, I could easily double up or even quadruple up my paper and cut it and make it a lot quicker. So let's try just doubling it. Again, I'm going to go 1.5 inches. So out of that 6 by 12, 2, 4, 6, 8 sticks. And we got this sheet to do up. Continue on and do these next squares, 1.5. So the finished product will be 1.5 by 6 inches. You could also do 2 by 6 if you wanted them a little thicker or wider. And then what I do is just gather them all up. Take my distress, and you can see there the border is white. I just hit the whole collection up here with distress ink. And then if you want, you can kind of go individual as you're cutting them. They need to be touched up, but they just don't take as long. And then you can do more like around the edges if you wanted to, etc. And then what you're left with on the back here is a great writing area, valuable real estate. So let me grab my corner rounder. Okay, I got my corner rounder. I'm going to take some and do some of these corners. So again, we on, you know, to take a stack and do all the corners. For some reason when I cut a 12 by 12 up, it's never exactly 12 by 12. So I have that little ultra, like maybe an 1/8 inch right there. I'm going to take this stack and I'm going to do just that end and then flip it over and do the other end. These are all upright, I think. Yeah. And then this one we can just do the bottom. So there we go. I can see some white on that. So let me just hit that one more time. And then catch these corners I just rounded. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I got my bag here full of all my journaling sticks. I really like these wood plank ones because they took an embellishment really nice. Whereas like this, I would have to find something that matches it to put on it. That lets me know that, well, if I want to use those up, I definitely have a use, you know, embellishments to go on there. Stickers, etc. Words, washi. And then let me grab this journal here and I'll show you. Grab a pocket, insert a few like that, or that's all the space I have on that one. Here I made a bag, and when I'm done attaching it, I figure it would look nice to have those in there, and I could put several, and then I can just grab one, write a thought down, write a list, phone number, whatever I want, and I'll be able to, you know, clip it in or journal with it, or you know, glue it in somewhere else. So that's my thought behind these journal sticks. I think they're a really good thing, very useful, nice way to use up some paper. And then I also wanted to show you real quick, I'm finishing up this one journal, not this one, but I want to show you how to create this back pocket. It's very easy. And you know how you see the rounded like that? You just take your little circle punch any size and you can make you know, a cutout. So what I did here is used a different punch, and I'll show you in this journal I'm making, because I'm getting ready to sew the signature in. There's where my pocket's going to be. I have this label maker punch by Stampin Up, and just the same thing. I think it, you know, is like you're punching out with a circle punch, and I just eyeball it about halfway up. So if you have some unique punches, it's a wonderful way to to use them. And then you actually have a little tab that you could glue on if you wanted to. And if that gets too deep, I could actually take the trimmer and just cut across. I'll show you. I'll just take a smidge off of that. So again, this is that label punch from Stampin' Up. So if you have anything like that or any unique punches, give it a try. See if you like the way it looks. So you can see there, I just took a smidge off the top. But now that I cut the birdie, but I think he's okay. And then I'll take my Distress ink. Go in here. Catch the edges. That's what it's going to look like. Very nice. So try that out with your pockets. Let me know how it turns out if you do. And well, here I used a larger punch on the side, but I think that adds some character and something different. You can still get plenty of stuff, you know, it doesn't rip. It's pretty solid. And that's what I got for now. So try them out. Journal sticks and fancy pockets. All right, take care. Bye.